Hello guys, and welcome to my next metal detecting episode here on my fields. I'm actually on a field where I quit at the last episode, episode 76, and yeah, I will start where I quit the last time. And the last time I had 2 silver coins at the end of the hunt, so possible I will start as I stopped the last time, hopefully with a lot of silver coins. But yeah, we will see. I don't know, the farmer is something doing over there. I don't know what his plans are, but as far as I can, I will detect this field. And yeah, the weather is not so good today. It's going to be raining in around 1.5 hours, so enough talk, let's start. And I wish you fun with this episode. Okay, the first find of the day seems to be a medieval find. A very nice buckle fragment. But that's a very promising find for the rest of the day. Woohoo! Great. The second signal. But I'm sure it's trash. Yeah, it's some kind of foil, or I would say it's aluminum foil. A good 40 signal in one of my former footsteps here. How could I miss this? It's a nice back seal. It's one of the local salt seals here in my town, and yeah, I have a lot of this kind of seals. Something silverish popped up, but I think it's just a button, one of these arsenic bronze buttons. Yep. A very nice mid-40 signal here. Could be a coin or a musket ball with the Fisher F75. So let's see. Can't find it. Okay, it's deeper. Crazy. Still there. Come on. Where are you? Ah, okay. I have it. Oh. I think it's a square button. Yeah, it is. Again, Athenic bronze. Nothing really special, but it's more common in a round shape. So I'm glad with this. Again, a good surface signal. Ah, it's just a piece of lead. On to the next one. The next button. Shank still on there. Okay. Another mid-40 signal. Maybe you can hear it started to rain. Much earlier as they forecasted. Oh, I think it's a coin. Oh, great. It's one Pfennig Scheidemünze from the late 1700s, I would say 1776 or something like this. A coin, very nice. Okay, I hope it will stop raining soon, otherwise I have to go to my car. But I have a first coin. A very high 70 signal. Oh, it's a coin. What is this? Something from 1799, but I don't know what. Ooh, that looks nice. I think it's copper, but I can't say what kind of coin it is at the moment. Have to clean it, maybe I will find out. Very nice. The next find is some kind of a bird. The head is missing and one leg, and the tail is folded to its back. Anyway, very cute. Oh, I see it. I think it's a silver coin. Yeah, it's a silver coin. Woohoo! Again, another 4 pfennig. That are exactly the coins I found the last episode 2 times. And this one is from 1772. Whew, first silver hammer. Great. It's still raining. I don't know how long I can go. It's getting darker and darker. But anyway. Okay. Just want to take the GPS coordinates for the archaeologist. Okay, it's raining very heavy right now, so I'm on the way back to the car. And yeah, here's the next find. It's again a Zenic bronze button. Ah, damn hell! I now got the cracking signals. The next coin, possibly. Yeah, I think it's a coin, but very toasted. Okay. Oh man, I'm totally wet. Whew. I didn't expect it will start raining so soon, so early, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Just a very short one because of the rain, but at least I made some very nice finds. And yeah, I'm lucky with it, so it's okay. It's okay. And if you like this episode, yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for that. And until next time, I wish you all the best. Good luck and happy hunting. Bye bye.